In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable TPM in BIOS on Motherboard. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, basically, the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and restart your PC. So press your Windows icon, go to the power button, and then just go ahead and click restart, which closes all your apps and everything. And I'll tell you exactly what to do once your PC starts restarting. So once it's in the restart process on your keyboard, just go ahead and spam delete, just like loads of times. Go ahead and spam that once you see the splash screen. Okay, so I see my splash screen is saying press delete or F2 to enter this area. So once you're here, it's gonna look something like this. And all you wanna do from here is go over to advanced. Once you're in advanced, you're gonna see a few different things. Firstly, go over to trusted computing, and it's gonna say TPM 2.0 device found. You wanna make sure security device support is enabled. So if it's disabled, switch it to enabled. Then I can go out of this and then go to AMD if you're on AMD, FTPM configuration, and you want to make sure that both of these are enabled as well. And literally that's all you have to do. You'll be good to go after that. Then from here, just go to exit, which is all the way on the right, and then all you want to do is save changes and reset. I'm going to discard changes because I don't actually do anything, and then literally just press yes, and then your PC is going to restart again, and then you'll be good to go. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on the channel as well.